So Albar, where do you think you're going? You keeping your baby happy? Who's there next to you? Hi, Isa. Is the doggy sitting with you? Did he jump up in there with you? Does he think he's going somewhere? What do you think, Isa? Oop. Hey, little boy. Oh, Albar's giving mommy kisses, huh? Hey, little boy. You're funny. What you think, Isa? What you think? Is your doggy silly? Mama can't get the baby out of the car if you're sitting there, Albar. Silly dog. I know you want to go to the park, but I don't know if I can do it. All right. Bye, Albar.